Loaded in Western tube, the ratio of blood and anticoagulant is 4:1. The tube is filtered to the stand vertically and left undisturbed. The reading is taken at the end of 1 hour. Windrow tube method. In this method, Windrow tube is used to determine ESR. This tube is a short tube opened on only one end and it is 110 millimeter long with 3 millimeter bore. Windrow tube is used for determining ESR and PCV and it is marked on both sides. On one side, the marking is from 0 to 100 for ESR and on other side from 100 to 0 for PCV means expect cell volume. About 1 milliliter of blood is mixed with the anticoagulant EDTA. The blood is loaded in the tube up to the mark of 0 and tube is placed on the Windrow stand. The reading is taken after 1 hour. Normal values of the ESR by Western method in males 3 to 7 millimeter in first hour, in females 5 to 9 millimeter in first hour, whereas in infants 0 to 2 millimeter in first hour. By Windrow's method, in males 0 to 9 millimeter in first hour, in females 0 to 15 millimeter in first hour, and infants 0 to 5 millimeter in first hour. Significance of determining ESR. Erythrocyte sedimentation rate is an easy, inexpensive, and non-specific test which helps in diagnostic as well as the prognosis. Diagnosis as well as prognosis. And it is non-specific because it cannot be indicate the exact location or cause of the disease. But it helps to confirm the diagnosis. Prognosis means monitoring the course of the disease and response of the patient to therapy. Determination of ESR is especially helpful in the assessing the progress of the patient treated for certain chronic inflammatory disorders such as pulmonary tuberculosis, rheumatoid arthritis, polymyalgia rheumatica. It is a one type of inflammatory disease characterized by the pain in the shoulder and hip. Temporal arthritis, temporal arteritis means inflammation of arteries of head. Physiological variation is ESR is less in children and infants because of more number of RBCs. Sex, it is more in female than the male because of the less number of the RBCs. Menstruation, the ESR increases during menstruation because of the loss of blood and RBC. Pregnancy from third month to parturition, ESR increases up to 35 millimeter to millimeter in first hour because of the hemodilution. Now, pathological variations, ESR increases in the diseases such as tuberculosis, all type of anemia except sickle cell anemia, malignant tumors, rheumatoid arthritis, rheumatic fever, liver diseases, whereas ESR decreases in allergic conditions, sickle cell anemia, peptone shock, polycythemia, severe leukocytosis. When the specific gravity of the RBC increases, the cell becomes heavier and the ESR will be sedimentation is fast, so ESR will be increases. Rolex formation increases the ESR, globulin and fibrinogen accelerate the Rolex formation. When the size of the RBC increases, macrocyte ESR also increases. Viscosity offers more resistance settling of ESR. So when the viscosity of the blood increases, the ESR decreases. When RBC count increases, the viscosity of the blood is increases and ESR decreases. And when the RBC count decreases, ESR will be increases. ESR is a non-specific measure of inflammation that is commonly used as a medical in vitro screening test. The test was invented in 1897 by Polish physician Edmund Bernacki and published in Polish. In 1918, Swedish pathologist Robert Ferren declared the same, and along with Alf Wilman, Westergen published in English. Anticoagulant, anticoagulated whole blood is tubed separate into a upper layer of plasma and lower layer of plasma cell because of its specific gravity. Erythrocytes are heavier, so it will be suspended in the lighter plasma when which specific density weight is about 1.2027 kilogram per liter. The distance that cell falls within a specific time interval, usually 1 hour, is defined as erythrocyte sedimentation rate. The rate of the sedimentation of single layer erythrocytes is 0.2 millimeter per hour, but in vivo sedimentation rate is higher, usually 1 to 2 millimeter per hour. In normal conditions, erythrocytes settle faster because they aggregates form stack called Rolex, and ESR depends upon the rate of aggregation. Group of 10 erythrocytes settle 1 millimeter per hour. Groups of 50,000 erythrocytes settle 75 millimeter per hour. What factors elevated erythrocyte aggregation? Erythrocyte size, erythrocyte count, concentration of the globulin, globulins, glycoproteins, immunoglobulin, viscosity of the plasma, and concentration of the albumin. However, the main factor in vivo is a ratio elevation of globulin concentration and decrease in albumin concentration reduces the electrical load of the erythrocyte and increases aggregation ability, and ESR is an easy, fast, and non-expensive diagnostic method for observation of change in plasma protein. Procedure: collect approximately 1.6 ml of venous blood and open the citrate tube up to the level 0.4 ml. Fill the tube with blood up to the level of 200 mark. Close the tube firmly and mix. Introduce Westergen tube into open citrate tube. The blood meniscus should reach 0 level, 0 millimeter level air bubbles should not be observed, and place Westergen tube into the vertical stent Westergen tube or into the R inclined. Then record the result number of millimeters to which erythrocytes have settled in the tube. Namaste. Hope you are satisfied with this digital version 2.0 session, erythrocyte sedimentation rate. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. So we will have a separate problem solving live session for your queries. Thank you. Thank you.